You know what time it is, I know what time it is G-Wagon time, and we all know by now that means it's my favorite time. So today we have this beautiful blacked out Mercedes G63, and this car is here for the works. So that means, of course, we're going to start it off with our 21-step decontamination process before we do a proper paint enhancement. As we all know, black paint really shows those swirl marks, so we need to get rid of all of those before we start applying full self-filling gloss PPF onto the entire exterior of this car for full protection, as well as on the infotainment screen and any extra trim pieces on the interior for the daily wear and tear. And then we're also going to apply our Gion ceramic coating on the PPF, as well as the leather shield ceramic coating on the interior. And then lastly, we'll also be doing our Gion rim and ceramic coating on the exterior. And then to wrap it all off for full protection, we'll also be applying windscreen protection film. Guys, with that said, let's get started with this beauty. I would say this absolute beast of a car, but it's definitely more a beauty than a beast. It's done with the entire process here at 2J's Detailing. This entire car is fully protected and the PPF has been applied, and let me tell you, you cannot even tell it's there. It's done so perfectly and so seamlessly, and now this entire car is fully protected from the exterior to the interior. And as you can see, this car has a two-tone stunning black and white leather interior, and that's exactly why we had to put our Gion leather shield ceramic coating onto this gorgeous seat to protect it against any stains, spills or discoloration, as well as interior PPF. As always, thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Please remember to support us by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to our channel, because we want to grow to bring you some more awesome content. Have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.